Insight Solutions is excited to introduce our press room equipment company brand coil cradle combination feeder straightener, commonly referred to as a compact feed line. Primary advantage is space saving. The compact feed line typically takes 15 to 18 feet of space. A conventional press feeding line can take up to 30 to 40 feet. Another advantage is safety. The compact feed line allows the operator to set a coil into the coil cradle portion of the machine. This makes it easier and safer to contain thick or high tensile material. Another advantage of the compact feed line is ease of loading coils. You don't have to center the coil on an arbor. You simply load the coil onto the cradle rolls, cut the band, and then thread the leading edge into the machine. The coil is loaded with the leading edge of the coil on the bottom. The machine uses the weight of the coil to contain it. A conventional feed line, you load the coil over an arbor, expand the arbor to grip the ID of the coil, cut the bands. That leading edge of the material is free to expand, sometimes dangerously, into the operator. There's several features that we'd like to point out on our compact feed line. First is the Servo Drive package with HMI controls. We also use a poly chain belt on the compact feed line as opposed to a chain. This is good for part accuracy and also reduces maintenance because it's a low wear item. We have a central lube manifold. It brings all the lube points to a central manifold for ease of maintenance. Hydraulically actuated entrance and exit pinch rolls. We have heavy-duty stock guides on the entrance and exit side of the feeder straightener to help guide the material and keep it straight into the press and die. On the coil cradle portion of the compact feed line, we have adjustable side plates that center the coil in the machine and a single crank handle that centers the side plates. Our coil weight capacities range from 10,000 pounds and heavier. Our width capacities range from 12 inches and wider. Our material thickness capacity ranges from 1/8 inch to 3/8 inches thick. Another feature of the compact feed line is our peeler breaker bar. This peeler breaker bar is hydraulically actuated. When it's used as a peeler, it separates the leading edge of the material from the coil, and then the peeler breaker bar can be rotated over. It'll help guide the leading edge of the material into the feeder straight. To summarize, this compact feed line is perfect for solving a lot of the problems that companies are faced with today. Space can be a problem. This reduces the footprint by up to half. Safety is always an issue. It's a very safe way of processing thick and high tensile material. And efficiency is always important for companies today. And the compact feed line is a very efficient way of loading and processing coils of material. If you'd like to hear more information about our compact feed lines, please contact Insight Solutions.